Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding palette. I will put a link for this, talks about how to enter this, in the description box down below. I also have a ton of other giveaways going on. I've got giving away a TARTE beauty palette. I have a 200th video that I'm giving away a bunch of stuff for. I have a Neiman Marcus giveaway. So I've got all sorts of giveaways going on. I also have some big ones coming up, i.e. in appreciation of our 600 subscriber. And I've already started setting stuff aside for a 700 subscriber giveaway, so help us get there. And then I also have another big one coming up in January where it'll be our #1 anniversary on this channel. #1 rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check. So the Ipsy Plus is $25 a month, and there's full-size product is usually 5 full-size products in there. I have tried the Ultimate before. I wasn't too impressed with the Ultimate, so I canceled that and just kept the Plus. And I'm kind of debating on right now whether or not I'm going to keep the original Ipsy, the $10 one, where it's just kind of samples. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do on this one, but I do plan on keeping this one. This is, like I said, $25 a month. It does ship out monthly, so let's find out what's in this month's bag. I also did pick up a couple of add-ons that I want to talk to you about super quick. I did pick up the and all of these add-ons were just $3 each. I did pick up the IT Confidence in a Cream Eye Cream. I have the full size of this and I love it. This is great, the smaller size, just when you're traveling, it's easier kind of to throw in your bag. So love this. I did also pick up the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Kisses. Here's what the packaging kind of looks like. Here's this. Here's what it kind of looks like on the hand. This is really pretty. I think that'll be a really good color for me. Excited to try this one and use this one. I also picked up by Tipsy. It is a lip tint, and I thought there would be more in it. Oh, I guess, never mind. I was thinking there'd be more in it, but I think that's just the wand itself that I'm looking at. I do think that it's, there's still a lot of air bubbles in there. Let's see if we can get some of the air bubbles out to see how full it is. So if I get the air bubbles out, it's about half full. So a lot better than what I thought just was in there. But I love doing just a lip tint in the spring and summer when I'm just quick on the go. Love it. And I have gotten, I have purchased a full size of this and love it. So when I saw that this was available for $3, I went ahead and picked one up. So for the items in here, it does come in this cute little makeup bag. Navy zipper here on the side. Looks like that on the inside. Has a card in here. It says ring in the new. What a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choices, more personalization, and more memberships. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, and more of what you want with add-ons. Now we're looking ahead to New Year with a resolution for bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. Top tier brands and products that you'll obsess over. New opportunities connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts. Enhanced personalization and ways to bake the bag more you. 'Tis the season to treat yourself, and your 5 glam bag products worth over $120 are here just for you. Well, cheers to that. So the first product that I am pulling out is from Tarte. It retails for $25. It is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Setting Spray. That was a mouthful. This makeup setting mist from Tarte is a best seller for good reason. The microfine spray with cooling aloe and cucumber extract keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. A must-have for the hectic holiday schedules. This mist is super versatile. Use it over makeup in the morning or to wet your makeup brushes before applying any eyeshadow. You know, it's a really good tip for you guys if you want a really, really intense payout, you know, on your eyeshadow, really get your wet. And I like using a setting spray more than I do just kind of dampening my brush itself in water. I use the setting spray, it helps. It gets it more intense. But I don't like cucumbers, you guys, and I don't like the smell of cucumbers. So I'm going to be putting this one in an upcoming giveaway. Like I said, I've already started setting stuff aside for 700 subscribers, so help us get there and be subscribed. From Complex Culture. Now, Complex Culture is a brand that Ipsy started. So this is an Ipsy product that's valued at $35 for one brush. This is the Press and Set Bronzer Brush. Every Complex Culture brush is made to multitask and save you time in your day. Thanks to its exclusive, luxurious, dense, synthetic bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs, this 2-in-1 setting and bronzing brush helps apply both powder products seamlessly. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Tip: to set powders, press the flat side of the brush onto your skin. To bronze and sculpt, use the tip of the brush to sweep bronzer into the hollows of your cheek and whatever you need a little warmth. It does feel really, really soft. It's kind of narrower. It's showing it here, but it's kind of narrower here and obviously wider on this end. It has a little bit of fraying kind of going on here, but not too bad. And then here's, I think it looks really like a really, really nice brush. So you were able to pick a product, and the product that I picked was the VERSO Eye Cream Extra Nourished Skincare. Retails for $65. Well, it's an eye cream. Making this moisturizing eye cream from VERSO Skincare as part of your daily skincare regime, and prepare to be seriously impressed. It's packed with lipids, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, plus antioxidants to ward off fine lines and discoloration. Tip: gently tap, don't rub the cream around your eye area. Why? Tugging or pulling at your delicate eye can accelerate the formulation of fine lines. So I need all the help I can get here, so I am excited about this. I did get from Etsy the Van Nuys Eyeshadow Squad. Retails for $60. The Ultimate Winter Eyeshadow Quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmering shades flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks for party-ready smoky eyes. And this powder soft buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We're obsessed. Tip: this palette is magnetic, so you can mix and match and customize it with other single pan eyeshadows. Well, it's this really kind of pretty leather here. Does have a mirror on this side, and then here are your colors. I think those are really, really pretty. Can't wait to use. From NOYAH is Organic Lip Balm set in Peppermint and Vanilla. 5 ingredients, that's it. The balm leaves lips soft and smooth, subtle with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. A hint of stevia helps indulge your sweet tooth and protect your lips from the winter chafe. Tip: swipe before a bolt to ensure a smoother application, or on top of a matte finish to keep it from flaking. Cuticles looking a bit ragged, dab this balm on your fingertip for a quick cuticle fix. I haven't heard of that before, but I guess it can, it's a balm, it kind of makes sense. So these retail for the set of two, $7.98. And then here is your vanilla, and here's your peppermint. I think these will make really good stocking stuffers for my son. I think he's gonna love these. So what did you guys think about this box? I think my favorite thing, I think it's the eye cream that came in here. What was your guys' favorite? If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, so you just have to hit that notification that says subscribe button twice, and that'll turn on the notifications for you so you'll know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.